So we start out today's video with someone who has long hair, I'd say about tailbone length or so. So the stylist confirms, how short do you want to go with this? And it looks like she wants to get some type of bob. Wow, that is a lot of hair. Hopefully it's being donated. And the stylist does a classic angled bob for this look. So pretty. She looks gorgeous with the short hair. Just absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So here we have someone with shoulder length red hair, loving the color on this. It's like a really pretty burgundy cherry tone, and the stylist cuts the hair into a pixie. Wow, gorgeous undercut, asymmetrical style pixie. This is really pretty. And the color definitely takes the look a step further. Very nice. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we have someone who wants to go short with a pixie style. Beautiful classic Peter Pan style pixie. Gorgeous. Love the salt and pepper color too. And then we have someone else getting a bob. Beautiful bob haircut with bangs, some color added. Oh, I really love the way that the color looks. Wow, so beautiful. She does have the side swept bangs with this look. And then we move into another long to short transformation. Looks like she's getting a pixie bob. Such a beautiful cut and a smile. So then we move on to the next one. She has gorgeous gray hair. Looks like she's getting a pixie. Very nice choppy texture mixed in. This is definitely a great low maintenance style. And then we see someone who does have a pixie. Looks like she's in for a color refresh and cut. She gets a nice undercut put in, more of a mushroom shaped pixie. Ooh, some purple. Wow, this is gorgeous. Such a fun, funky styling option. Very cool. And then we have someone putting in some bangs. Looks like she's getting a layered haircut. Oh wow, she's got some beautiful hair. Oh, she got the ash blonde ombre color. Oh, this is pretty. Breathtaking. Wow, what a transformation. She looks amazing. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out this video with me today. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.